Hello guys, how to fix unable to rename a file error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, unable to rename a file, then here are the fixes. Right click on start button and choose task manager. Here go to process option from the left side and look for Windows Explorer or File Explorer processing. Type in search field Explorer and select Windows Explorer and choose Restart Task from the top ribbon. Restart your Windows Explorer process through Task Manager. This is the first and initial workaround. After that, close the window and check whether you are renaming your folder or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to your problematic file or folder which having error. Right click on it and choose Properties. And make sure the necessary permission is granted. Go to Security from the top menu bar and permission for everyone or your system user account is allowed. If not, click on Edit and give full permission, full control, modify, read and executable, list, write, read, list folder contents. Make the check against all these options and apply and OK. So give permission to your user and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on that problematic folder and choose Properties. And here under Attributes section, uncheck the option Read Only. If you found it checked, then uncheck this option and click on Apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether you are able to rename your files or folders or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows Search and type CMD and open Command Prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Command Prompt Windows will now open in administrator mode. Here execute these three DISM tool as shown on a screen. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands, three DISM tool one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. After that, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and type folder option. Open File Explorer options. Here, go to View tab from the top menu bar and look for the option always show icons, never thumbnails. From the top of the page, you will find the option always show icons, never thumbnails. Make the check against this option and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Your files folders error definitely be resolved. That's all.